Hi, this is Edith of Medy Wellness. Today I'm here to appreciate all medical staff globally. To the doctors and clinicians, you have given yourselves selflessly to serving humanity. Humanity depends on your perfect diagnosis and prescription. Kudos! To the nurses and the midwives, we at Medy Wellness realize that you are the eye of the clinicians. You have given your best to be there 24/7 for patient care. We really appreciate you. We have the unsung heroes. Not many realize you're there. Medy Wellness says kudos to the staff of the laboratory who do all the diagnostics, the pharmacy, environmental health, laundry, kitchen, the drivers, physiotherapists, IT and finance, medical maintenance departments, among many. We salute you for working behind the scenes for good outcomes. Finally, as the medical and research teams work together, may God bless them and protect their families, for they work selflessly to keep humanity alive. For the rest of us, let's kick COVID out of planet Earth. Let's observe hygiene, wash our hands regularly, wear our face mask, have prompt treatment of any ailments. As much as possible, let us stay in and keep COVID-19 out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.